Yo, what's up guys? This is Yeldo. So today, I will show you kung paano mag-mix ng vocals just like YB Neet. Alright, so let's get started. So before I will explain all of the process inside the mix, ang dapat tandaan nyo lang is if you want na maging tunog YB Neet ang kanta or boses ninyo, just make sure lang na you sound exactly the same with YB Neet's voice. That's just the way it is kung paano siya gawin. Or the closer yung voice ninyo na magkatunog kay YB, the better yung end result. Just remember that every voice is different. So if you're going to follow this video, just make sure to tweak the settings para maging fit sa voice ninyo. Alright? So I'm inside in my Studio One session. Ito yung track. This is a Bisaya rap song written and performed by Jay Walker from Toxicado. I will play just a little bit portion lang neto. Let's play.
Plastic, toxic, mo na'y realidad. Ramir na artist, puro hambog, rehabilidad. Paghagiton, grabe katalaw, di gani mo palag. Piling gahi, maulagi, na'y nakalabad. Buisit, paksit, di na mo maihap. Di mo chicks, puro mo bitch, di bigi ka panilap. Wa mo'y ayo, bagay mo dito, wadyo'y pagkahag. Murag virgin, lami, bukon, kamiray mo buak.
And now, I will introduce yung mga plugins na ginamit ko dito one by one. First is dito sa main vocals. What I did first is nag-insert ako ng NS1 para ma-lessen yung background noise. I could use yung Clarity VX pero masyadong mabigat na yun sa CPU kaya etong NS1 na lang ang ginamit ko.
Plastic, toxic, mo na'y realidad. Ramir na artist, puro.
Second is auto-tune, basic tuning. I've set this one sa key lang ng song.
Plastic, toxic, mo na'y realidad. Ramir na artist, puro hambog, rehabilidad.
Next is nag-add ako ng Fab Filter Pro Q3. So as you can see, nag-low cut ako and then nag-sweep ako dito ng mga harsh frequencies and then I've pulled them down.
Plastic, toxic, mo na'y realidad. Ramir na artist, puro hambog, rehabilidad. Paghagiton, grabe katalaw, di gani mo palag.
Next up is SSL EQ, subtle boost sa highs, mids, and lows.
Plastic, toxic, mo na'y realidad. Ramir na artist, puro hambog, rehabilidad. Paghagiton, grabe katalaw, di gani mo palag. Piling gahi.
Sunod naman is our compressor. So if you watch my previous video sa mga mixing tutorials ko, I like to stack my compressors. So ito yung unang compressor. I have 3. Itong R-comp is just for setting a subtle balance of vocals.
Plastic, toxic, mo na'y realidad. Ramir na artist, puro hambog, rehabilidad. Paghagiton, grabe katalaw, di gani mo palag. Piling gahi, maulagi, na'y nakalabad.
Next compressor is an 1176 style. This is from Arturia, Comp FET 76. You can use din naman yung CLA 76 from Waves or stock plug-in lang netong Studio One. So in this compressor, the more you push the input and decrease the output, the more mo mafe-feel yung compression.
Plastic, toxic, mo na'y realidad. Ramir na artist, puro hambog, rehabilidad. Paghagiton, grabe katalaw, di gani mo palag. Piling gahi, maulagi, na'y nakalabad.
And also, the ratio of this compressor is nasa 4:1, tas naka-fast release and semi-slow attack. The third compressor is etong CLA2A. Ginagamit ko ito para i-glue yung overall compression sa vocals.
Plastic, toxic, mo na'y realidad. Ramir na artist, puro hambog, rehabilidad.
And then, I've added some widener. I used Doubler 2 para maging wide slightly yung vocals.
Plastic, toxic, mo na'y realidad. Ramir na artist, puro hambog, rehabilidad. Paghagiton, grabe katalaw, di gani mo palag. Piling gahi, maulagi, na'y nakalabad.
Next is Decapitator. So this plugin is nag-a-add ng extra color sa vocals. more like saturation pero konti lang ang in-add ko sa mix.
Plastic, toxic, monay realidad. Ramir na artist, puro hambog, reabilidad. Paghagiton, grabe katalaw, di gani mo palag. Piling gahi, maulagi, na'y nakalabad.
Next is Abbey Road Saturator. Just like yung Decapitator, this one also adds color to the vocals. Pero in this mix, ito yung mas nag-a-add ng extra brightness and color sa vocals, especially sa my top end.
Plastic, toxic, monay realidad. Ramir na artist, puro hambog, reabilidad. Paghagiton, grabe katalaw, di gani mo palag. Piling gahi, maulagi, na'y nakalabad. Buisit, paksit, di na mo maihap. Di mo chicks, puro mo bitch, di bigay ka panilap. Wa mo'y ayo, bagay mo dito, wadyo'y pagkahap.
Next is Pro DS. Syempre, nag-add tayo ng saturation sa vocals. The more na mag-add tayo ng brightness sa vocals, the more yung mga harsh S's na magpa-pop out. So, I've added this plugin to tame the harshness of the vocals.
Plastic, toxic, monay realidad. Ramir na artist, puro hambog, reabilidad. Paghagiton, grabe katalaw, di gani mo palag. Piling gahi, maulagi, na'y nakalabad.
Next is Reverb from Valhalla. Nag-lokat lang ako sa may EQ and then adjust the effects faders to the taste.
Plastic, toxic, monay realidad. Ramir na artist, puro hambog, reabilidad. Paghagiton, grabe katalaw, di gani mo palag. Piling gahi, maulagi, na'y nakalabad.
Next is H delay. Naka-quarter note delay and some filtering lang. Same sa reverb, I've adjusted the effect through the faders.
Plastic, toxic, monay realidad. Ramir na artist, puro hambog, reabilidad. Paghagiton, grabe katalaw, di gani mo palag. Piling gahi, maulagi, na'y nakalabad. Buisit, paksit, di na mo maihap.
Next is etong background vocals.
Plastic, toxic, monay realidad. Ramir na artist, puro hambog, reabilidad.
So for this, the same vocal chain from the main vocals. What I did lang dito is the EQ and yung levels. So sa EQ dito is medyo dramatic yung paglokat ko para di mag-clash yung mga frequencies if played together with the main vocals.
Plastic, toxic, monay realidad. Ramir na artist, puro hambog, reabilidad. Paghagiton,
And for its compressor, I've decreased it for about 2 to 3 dB of gain.
Plastic, toxic, monay realidad. Ramir na artist, puro.
Lastly is etong effects adlibs.
Skirt, bilidad.
The same chain lang din ito from the main vocals. What I did lang dito is etong reverb. I changed the color type into 1980s and then boosting the effect through the effect fader.
Skirt, skirt.
The same as well sa delay.
Skirt.
So let's preview again the track with all the plugins activated.
Plastic, toxic, monay realidad. Ramir na artist, puro hambog, reabilidad. Paghagiton, grabe katalaw, di gani mo palag. Piling gahi, maulagi, na'y nakalabad. Buisit, paksit, di na mo maihap. Di mo chicks, puro mo bitch, di bigay ka panilap. Wa mo'y ayo, bagay mo dito, wadyo'y pagkahag. Murag virgin, lami bukon, kamera'y bubuak.
And that is it guys on how to sound like YB Neet. Super simple, just tweak the settings lang to your taste and explore. So if nakatulong tong video sa inyo, please like this video and subscribe ka na din if di ka pa nakasubscribe. So thanks for watching guys, happy mixing and bye bye.